Getting started, that's the hard part. Think about it, going to the gym isn't hard. Getting to the gym seems to be the hard part. Prospecting isn't hard. Starting to make your phone calls, that's what's hard. It's not diet is hard, it's starting the diet that seems to be hard. Here's my question for you. Are you getting stuck on the starting part? If the answer is yes, I'd love for you to consider it's 1,000% okay to say to yourself whatever you must to start. Because you and I both know when you're in action, when you're prospecting, when you're going to the gym, when you're doing your dieting, whatever the action is, building your team, whatever it may be, the hardest part is starting. And if you can start to have a better conversation with yourself, like, hey, listen, Ferry, get your butt in gear, or you know what? Hey man, it's gonna be hard right now, but when you do this, it's gonna be unbelievable. Sometimes we just gotta have that conversation with us versus the conversation you have when you don't do it. I'm too busy right now. Look, it's all a conversation. Start.